Are you unknowingly following art trends that are holding you back? Trends like AI art and viral social media aesthetics might look cool, but they could be quietly draining your originality. In this video, I'm revealing 4 modern art trends that are ruining creativity, and more importantly, how you can break free and make art that actually feels like you. Let's start with the elephant in the studio: AI generated art. Now, don't get me wrong, AI can be an amazing tool for inspiration. But here's the problem: when artists rely entirely on AI, they risk skipping the creative process entirely. There's no sketching, no problem solving, just prompt and go. Use AI as a starting point, not the final product. You can pull ideas, colors, or compositions from it, but build on them with your unique voice. Have you ever caught yourself painting in a certain way just because it gets more likes? Well, you're not alone. The internet loves a good aesthetic. But if you're just copying what performs well, you're just shrinking your creative range. Challenge yourself to explore outside the algorithm. Try a new medium, flip your palette, or paint something nobody would expect from you, especially if it scares you. Let's be real. The internet rewards perfection. Perfect lighting, perfect brush strokes, not a single mistake inside. But perfectionism kills progress. If you're constantly over-editing or avoiding showing the ugly stage, you're missing out on what art is actually about: growth. Share your process, show the flaws. Don't delete the weird experimental pieces. They might be the most honest art to make. If you're planning your painting based on what's trending or what might get more views, you might be creating for numbers, not for you. And let's face it, that's exhausting. Create like no one's watching, then share it. Your authenticity will resonate more than anything designed to go viral. Be honest. Are you falling for any of these creativity killing trends? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And hey, if this video gave you a creative boost, give it a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos just like this one. Always remember, trends will always exist, but your voice, your style, that's what really matters.